Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find this number n, which is a natural number, meaning it starts from 1, 2, 3, such that this whole thing is a perfect square. And for it to be a perfect square, the index of its prime factors must be divisible by 2. So since we are talking about prime factors, the very first step that you all should do then is to express 198 as a prime factor. For its prime factor. And eventually I will get this. 198 is equals to 2 times 3 square times 11, and 198 times n. 198 can be written as 2 times 3 square times 11 and in order for this whole number to be a perfect square, I must make sure that all the powers of its prime factors, here we have 2, 3 and 11. 2, 3 and 11, the power all must be able to divide by 2. So we can actually see that 3 already has the 2 already, but 2 don't have. 11 also don't have. So it must come from somewhere. So it must come from the n. Because if n is written as two times 11. 2 times 2, it will give me 2 square. 11 times 11 will also give me 11 square. And all the power now can be divided by 2. So from here, we can realize that n is actually 2 times 11, which is equals to 22. And we have found the value of n. So we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.